everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you're gonna see the beautiful climate of California and arguably the most beautiful time of the year, the springtime. Spring is one of the very best time of the year to visit California, and I'm gonna take you all to a small walk around my apartment to see how the nature is welcoming spring. Currently, it's still winter and let's see more about it. It was a beautiful day in California and we just thought why not we take a small walk around our community, and this video was shot on February 2nd, 2021. Yes, it is a long time ago, but I just want to wait and show you the seasons changing from winter to spring. We are still in winter and we are expecting spring in few days. The temperature was around 9 degrees Celsius to approximately 12 degrees Celsius. It is very cold, but still we just managed to go for a walk and see how our surrounding was, because after the lockdown, just getting out the house was also a refreshment for the kids and for the adults. And these beautiful flowers just called us for a nice refreshing day. As I said, February 2nd was Groundhog Day. On this day in midwinter, the groundhog awakes from a long winter nap and goes outside of his den to see if he sees his shadow or not. According to the legends, if the groundhog sees his shadow, there will be 6 more weeks of winter. He then returns to his den and goes back to sleep. And this groundhog name is Phil. He's been making this annual winter prediction since 1887. There are few other predictions around the country, but they are all pale in comparison to Phil's ability to predict the remainder of winter. For the record, Phil has seen his shadow about 9 out of 10 times. Phil lives in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, and by far he is the best ground dog in predicting spring. 9 out of 10. He does his job very good. I hope you all loved the little story of Groundhog Day, and let's pump into a nice sunny day. And here is the beautiful weather of California on a nice and bright sunny day. My favorite tree is the one which you're watching right now, because these white flowers actually turn into leaves. Usually, if you see any flower on a tree, they just turn into a fruit. But this tree is very interesting. It's a local tree. And these white flowers, they are magical to watch on any spring day, because these white flowers actually turn into leaves. And every time when the springtime breeze just goes around the air, these white flowers just fall like snow on the ground, and the kids just go crazy to watch the flowers just falling on the ground. California weather, sometimes they are very unpredictable. Someday they are very cold, they are very chilly, they are very breezy. On the other side, they are just bright day, as you're seeing right now, just going for a nice brisk walk. Our community is a very small community with nice trees, pine trees, and there are a few cherry blossoms around the corner. And this day was so beautiful to watch. It was around mid-February, and you can see the change between the cloudy day which we saw on early February, and by the end of February the climate just goes away and the sky is clear. You can see blue sky, the clouds and everywhere, and the pine trees are just shining. Springtime will be the best time for you to visit California, because the winter just falls down and the spring just rises up. You can see wildflowers, you can see poppies everywhere, and the best time to visit Disneyland would be right now, because we have a spring break. As I said, the weather is completely unpredictable. We got a nice rain on a perfect sunny day to make our day even more colder. These are the additional features of California, like the weather. It just throws us cold day, it just gives us nice warm day. Sometimes it is very chilly, very breezy. We just enjoy living in California because it is just like home. We can survive any day in California. These are the additional features of living in California, because you can experience the hotter summer, the colder winter, and the beautiful spring, just giving us all those vibes and wildflowers and poppies and clear skies. Because of the pandemic, we couldn't go out anywhere, just following our community lockdown procedures. Otherwise, we would have had a blast enjoying our climate in California. But still, making use of the short walk, our nature walk, to just keep everyone safe and not spreading the virus to others, just being nice and kind. So these kind of small walks just keeps us refreshed, and we don't feel missing the season because it is almost past a year since we've been on and off of lockdown and the curfew and everything. So having a small walk just in the community will always keep us feel refreshed. Enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to subscribe to Archana's Kitchen and Fusion. I will see you all soon. Until then, bye bye.
She's waiting.